Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and use voice typing on iPhone Air. Voice typing is basically saying things out loud and your iPhone writes it down, turns it into text. So in order to do it, you'll need to go to settings and then go to general, go to the keyboard and make sure that in keyboards the correct language is selected, the language that you're gonna speak, because we'll need to do it through the keyboard. Now also scroll down in keyboards and find enable dictation, make sure it's enabled, and you can also enable auto punctuation. Now let's go anywhere where you want to type. And to start typing, you'll need to click on the microphone icon on your keyboard. If you have multiple language keyboards, you need to select the correct keyboard, right? So it's like, I'm gonna show you that maybe because sometimes it gets a little difficult. I'll just add a new keyboard. Let's say like, okay. And I can either add it to my current keyboard, so it'll be a dual language keyboard, or add a new keyboard. I'll add it to my current keyboard, and now it's bilingual. And I'll also add another language. Let's try another one, and now it's going to be a separate keyboard. So now I'm in the German one, right? And now I'm in the English and Polish keyboard. So if I want to start typing in this keyboard, I can click here. And now when I start talking, it should technically automatically know what language I'm speaking. And as you can see, it works. So yeah, this is how it works. If I switch to the other keyboard, I wanted to say something in German, but I forgot. I don't know German. So yeah, but it should also work. This is how it works. You can see it's quite great at recognizing what you're saying, and that will be about it. I hope that let's see one more thing. You can see this underlined text, the one that has like blue dots underneath. When you click on it, you can actually replace it with something else that your keyboard predicts might have been a different word you said, and maybe that it didn't recognize it correctly. You can very easily replace it. So yeah, now I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.